Finding a trustworthy roofer in Vancouver or Surrey can feel daunting, especially when your home's protection depends on it. With unpredictable West Coast weather, your roof needs more than basic fixes. It demands specialized skill and regional expertise. Local roofers aren't just contractors. They are complex system designers who understand our unique coastal and mountain environments. They engineer comprehensive protection systems for moisture management, snow loads, and wind resistance tailored to BC. Understanding the 2024 BC Building Code is fundamental. It ensures safety, energy efficiency, and climate resilience for your home. Professional roofers navigate these complex regulations to ensure your roof meets strict provincial building science principles. Community reputation is built through consistent performance. Local roofers are accountable to their neighbors and understand regional challenges. Associations like the RCA of BC and the Better Business Bureau serve as crucial validations of a contractor's professional integrity. In our climate, rapid response isn't a luxury, it's a necessity to prevent water damage during intense rainfall seasons. Local pros offer immediate emergency repairs and have established relationships with local inspectors for faster permitting. Unlike national chains with standardized processes, local experts provide relationship-driven service tailored to BC's environment. A local roofer doesn't just install a roof, they engineer a protection system that maximizes your home's longevity. At Paragon Roofing BC, we deliver expert solutions designed around the complexities of moisture management and thermal performance. We understand the provincial standards and prioritize your home's comfort and long-term durability. Protect your investment with a team that truly understands the demands of British Columbia's environment. Safeguard your property today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your comprehensive roof assessment. Paragon Roofing BC, perfection in roofing, your local experts for a secure and durable home.